So you've gone to your doctor and he said he's done everything he can for you to figure out your vertigo, but you're still having problems with it. What should you do? Well, my name's Dr. Greg Gersten. I've been helping people to remove the blockages from their health for the last 20 years to lead amazing, fantastic lives without drugs and surgery. Vertigo is something I've helped a tremendous amount of people to overcome and remove from their lives for a long time, and I've found that there's a few key steps that you've got to take. You know, once you've wound up taking these steps, we should wind up unraveling it because we know where the cause of the problem is. But a viewer asked me, he had all the tests done that he was told to. He had MRIs, he had CTs, he had x-rays, he had nerve scans done of his brain, and they all turned out fine. Well, maybe there's not a problem in your brain then. Maybe it has to do with one of the three other common places that wind up triggering your vertigo. The eyes, the jaw, and the cervical spine. We've got to make sure that we're looking at those and we're working with experts and managing them conservatively and non-surgically. When you work with an orthopedic surgeon on understanding the spine, they only know problems that show up that are surgically based, and that could be really advanced. If you're not there, then that's not going to wind up working for you. What I've gone ahead and done is put together a video that has the 4 key things that influence vertigo. What I'm going to do is put a link right here for it, and I'm going to go ahead and look to see you over there in just a few minutes, where we're going to dive into those 4 things.